we are getting ready right now to leave the apartment, and tonight we are heading to a pizza making class. We found an awesome deal on a place. We have to walk about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna spend about 2 hours tonight learning how to make pizzas.
Are we going to make pizza first, or are we going to eat dinner first?
We're gonna make the pizzas, then we're gonna eat the pizzas we make.
For dinner?
Yes.
So we're going to make pizza first! Why is the back of the fridge really hot, and then inside the fridge is very cold?
Really observe, really. Really observe. So basically what happens is the refrigerator doesn't actually cool things, it removes heat. I know it seems silly, so it removes heat and blows it out, and then what's left is cold. Okay, I think we're here. We're supposed to meet at this pharmacia in front of that castle right there. So, let's see if we can find out what we're doing. What's that?
You have a YouTube channel?
We do. We
Which
started
one?
It's Clarksons Travels.
Clarksons Travels.
Yeah.
Clarkson.
Yes.
Where from in the US are you?
We're from Indiana.
Indiana.
Yeah.
Georgia.
Georgia.
Okay.
Nice. Nice.
What's the channel doing?
We just started it, so we've only been traveling for what, a month now?
Yeah,
So-
a little
Oh,
over.
it's a long trip.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So what's the plan like? If I'm not holding you up.
Yeah, no, you're fine. We're just gonna travel for a while, so we want to go a year. That's our plan. So
You just we're hearing our dream will be you.
yeah.
So 1 year whereabouts?
Well, we're doing Europe right now, and then in August we head to Southeast Asia. We're flying with Bangkok.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yep.
Wonderful. Have a great trip and have a
Thank
safe
you.
trip.
Yeah, thank you. You
Thank
too.
you.
Guys, welcome to Trattoria Medina. It's a very, very popular restaurant in Napoli, amongst the Neapolitan. But it's on pizza.
What are you going to make with me?
You having fun?
We're making pizza? Yeah.
Guys, I'm still
Okay, hang on, I gotta get some of the chunks.
So our goal with the plastic will be don't add too much, guys, or will become a stove. Later it's gonna be good just to break windows or to stop paper from flying from your desk. First the flour you have. And then
I'm doing the dough.
actually it's very good. Huh?
Okay.
I think that after it absorbs this, it's done. So, sausage, mushroom, dominant end, other end, lettuce on top. Turn. Now, this little bit we want to keep as well, otherwise if we push like this, you see what happens? Mix wrinkles.
Stop it, ladies.
There is always someone, don't worry. It's okay. There is always someone.
Making my pizza. And this is
Good job, we'll keep doing
really,
that.
it smells good.
Then with the other, you do the letter C on top. Yep.
Alright. It's kind of hard.
Can I have a small and a large? August to Southeast Asia. Oh, okay. So you've got your plan down.
Yeah.
That takes a lot of planning. How
Myself.
you did excellent.
You did really good.
I don't know why you just didn't keep them originally the first time around, so you didn't have to do that.
I'm not making my pizza yet.
I'm not making mine.
I have to stray do. I need to one thing. Mommy helped me making the balls, but I made the pizza myself with my Cora.
Okay, the girls just finished making the dough, and now I think we're gonna eat some appetizers, and they are going to bring us new dough. I'm pretty sure they just threw all that dough in the trash can.
So we did that
I kind of hope so.
So we did that for nothing?
You didn't do it for nothing, you did it to learn the process.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Guys, wait a second.
So we got bruschetta, some type of croquette thing, and something else. I'm not sure what they're called, but one of them's got cheese and potato, one of them's fried rice, and then the bruschetta. Look good.
We making pizza?
Don't do this. Like very good. Then we do some meditation. Not the Italian meditation, but the Asian one, like this.
I am happy.
Good job.
Cheesy.
Good job.
And put the rest of that on there.
Good job.
Here. Wow, nice. First one.
Okay, got our pizzas. It was really fun. And they look really good.
Well, I didn't really make it myself. He helped me a lot. And Mommy helped me make the balls. But mostly I made the pizza and like the dough.
For you, Lily. Congratulations. It's your diploma. Brava.
Yeah.
So we just did a pizza class.
Yep, it was with Naples Bay. And if you're ever in Naples, you should check them out because Emmanuel was our chef and he was really awesome and made it really fun.
It was so much fun. The girls loved it. And the pizza was really good.
Yes.
Well. Okay, we are walking back. What a walk. But, gotta burn off that pizza somehow. Anyway, heading back to the apartment. Ooh, we need to get some beers. Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, I'm ready for some beers.